Hey, it's me. So it's been far too long, guys. I'm sorry. I suck at filming so much. I've just been really stressed, busy, tired, you know the drill, like high school student shit. I'm back here and so I've had this idea literally like I never like started making. So my dumbass knocked over the tripod featuring Drake. I wanted something wearable, you know, ish. Really holiday-y, kind of like shimmery and shit. Like I put highlighter on. Like I never use highlighter because I look like shit in highlighter. I look like a greasy penguin, but it doesn't look good on me. So yeah, this is rare. I look like a glittery whore. Thank you guys for clicking on this, and here we go. I'm back. So I have my.
Sorry, I don't speak Italian.
This is like almost empty. Is this what beauty gurus do? It's the rose water, and I don't really believe in primer because I feel like primer is a lie. It's like do that. I feel like that's good enough of a primer for me. And I'm gonna use the Fit Me. You know, I always use this. Also, just kind of scoop this. I have like a big pimple right there. It's not that visible on camera, thank God. It's that time of the year when my skin is like stupid dry. Like, why is it so dry? Because like throughout the year my skin is just oily. It's like a oil spill. Like you guys have seen it in like my old videos. But like how come now during the winter just decides to like dry up like some fucking grandma pussy, but throughout the whole rest of the year it looks like a bucket of fried chicken? And I don't I'm just gonna grab like this little sponge. All my brushes are dirty. I'm sorry, I haven't had time to clean them.
Not to be a sucia.
But I'm gonna just pat this in. So I'm back. Yeah, so I'm gonna just put on some breakouts because, you know, my face looked at some pizza and said, ooh, I wanna look like that.
I'm ugly!
And I'm gonna just like highlight. I'm like about to run out of this. I went to Ulta and I bought like 3 of these. Like I have like 2 more over there because they were like on sale. So I was like, you know what? I'd be running out of this shit like with water. Well, if I'm like out of breath, I'm like patting my face in.
I won't let you blow this.
Also, I love that the title's probably gonna have like tutorial somewhere in it, but this is like the farthest thing from a tutorial. I feel like until we get to the eyeshadow, everything I say from here till then, take it with a grain of salt because I don't really know what I'm doing. My hair looks like shit. Yes, I had brought this like hat to put on, but I realized that was gonna get in the way of like my makeup, so I just put my hair in a bun and I was like, fuck it, whatever. Yeah, also I hate that this mirror's like low-key like number one, it's like reflecting, and then also it's like taking up so much of the screen. But I didn't want to use that other like fucking palette that I use because I keep like accidentally digging my nails or like a brush into it, and that's like kind of not very cash money of me. Also, I have like this like naked palette, but like it's not much help because that after concealer we're going to bake, and I'm just gonna really just set my under eye because I don't really, my skin is dry. I try and set my nose, like whatever remainders on there I like lightly go over on my nose. Same with my forehead, and then I set my chin a little, my smile line a little, and then that's about it. Yeah, that's that. We're gonna move on to bronzer. I like hit pan on this, and me hitting pan on something is like kind of a big deal because I never hit pan on anything. But I mean, I've had this for like 3 years. Like, I hope I hit pan. Like, oh, I love that it just fell out. Okay, so I don't really know why that happened or how that happened exactly, but it did. And okay, all right, everything is falling apart in this video, including me. But We're just gonna go with it, you know. Okay, so now that we're kind of like bronzy and stuff, I'm gonna put some blush on. This is Party by Tarte. If you hear my sister laughing in the background, just ignore it. They're hella loud. Yeah, now that that's done, I have all this powdery shit on my face. I'm going to grab that rose water again, and I'm just gonna like spray it throughout my face, and then I'm gonna just pull out the good old handy dandy fan. Yeah. And now that that's like mostly dry, I grab like my sponge, like tap the spray in so it's not just like sitting on top of my face. Yeah, also my nails are done, guys. I did these myself. This is like the first like video of mine where like my nails aren't absolutely disgusting. And now we're gonna do eyebrows. I just use this like Makeup Revolution little eyebrow pencil. Any eyebrow pencil works. I'll just come back with the eyebrows done. Alright, my eyebrows are done. So now we're gonna do eyeshadow, and I just put some concealer on my eyelid to prepare for the eyeshadow that I'm gonna put on there. And we're gonna start off with, and I'm just going to put that like right up here. Yeah. I'm gonna get a little closer to the camera. I hope you guys can't see my shitty ass nose. Now we're going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, you know, the palette I use in every video that I literally have. And I'm going to grab this color called Silk Cream. Alright, I'll just grab a brush like this and then just kind of go in. Okay, so that was just like a quick like little transition shade so we don't go straight into red and then it's like impossible to blend later. So now I'm going to grab this bright ass red right here called Hunts, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna grab it on a brush like this. I'm just gonna put that like in the crease as well. And just blend it from there. Right now that that's blended, I'm going to grab a brush like this and I'm going to go into the one right below it. So the slightly darker one, I think that one is called Jax with a Z on this brush, and I'm gonna put it right here on like the outer V. Is that what it's called? The outer thing, this thing. And then I'm going to grab I think I'm gonna just grab this brush and then just like blend that out and like out and about. I'm sorry. The fact that this title has tutorial in it is like a disgrace to the makeup community. Okay, so now we're going to cut that, and I'm going to grab some concealer and I'm gonna just grab a little bit on like a brush like this. I'm sorry it's gross and not clean. I'm a cochina. But I'm just going to put that on my lid like that. I'm just like cutting the lid with concealer. And then I'm going to grab this Naked Urban Decay with the missing mirror. And I'm going to grab the color Verve. And I'm just going to grab a flat brush like this and put that on my lid. Also, sorry my breathing is like really like stupid loud. My nostrils are deviated and I can't really breathe. And I might get I call it a nose job just to make it sound more dramatic, but it's like a surgery that like corrects it because it's been getting really, really annoying lately. As you can tell, I'm like out of breath from like saying 3 words. It's like I breathe so loud. It's like obnoxious. Anyways, this is what the eye should look like. Kind of like that. And I'm going to do this on this side just so I don't bore you to death. And so this video doesn't drag on for any longer than it already will. So I'll be back. Okay, so now the top part of my eyelid is done. Now I'm going to do the under eye. And instead of being boring and just doing the red, I was thinking like, let's do something, you know, festive because, you know, red and green are like the Christmassy colors. So I was like, you know, I'll just go back to this palette. Y'all should watch my review on it. And use this green. I originally had it like this idea where I was gonna do like one eye red eyeshadow and then one eye green. If you wore that to like say a family reunion for like the holidays, like I think you'd get roasted by your grandma. So I was like, you know, I'll just do something more wearable and like pretty. So I'm gonna just take Lucky, just go right under here with that eyeshadow. I'm back and I feel like that looks kind of cute. Now we're going to move on to lashes. I think I'm just gonna curl them and put mascara on, but if you want to add lashes, like I said, go ahead. I'm personally right now just really lazy and I'm not really going anywhere, so also I can't find my lash glue. So now I'm gonna just put on some highlighter. No se ven. Okay, so for lips, I had Revlon this in Rose Velvet, and then for the gloss, I also used the Generation Plump and Shine
Rise and shine.
and lip gloss by Catrice. So I just put on top of that the Fenty Gloss Bomb, you know, the one I use in every video. Wow, my hair really does look like shit.
I'm ugly!
Fun. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a good day. Thank you for taking however long this took out of your day to watch. And that's it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.